Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today I've got another fabulous recipe. It's really easy. It's only 5 ingredients. I think you're going to love it. We are going to be making mango barbecue shrimp. So sounds fabulous, doesn't it? So you only need 5 ingredients. Like I said, you need some garlic cloves. For your seasoning, I'm actually using Korean BBQ Rub by Pampered Chef. I will put the link to this down in this description below along with the full recipe. I've also got some shrimp here that are on the large side. I have some mango chutney, and then I also have a lime. And then from your pantry, you're going to need a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. So the first thing I want to do, and then like I said, for the shrimp, these are on the large side, and I have about 8 ounces here, so about a half a pound. So I always figure for each person you're serving, you're going to want 6 to 8 ounces. So I just always do 8 ounces to be on the safe side. So the first thing we want to do is get our pan over on our burner and add in about a tablespoon of olive oil and get that nice and heated. And then we want to slice our garlic. So I'm going to be using my Pampered Chef spiral slice. I think I called this the garlic slice last time. It's our spiral slice. And we're just going to, I'm holding this thing wrong. There we go. I'll get my slices out. So I will put the link to this little product here in the description below as well. I'm going to get myself a little spatula here. There we go. So we're just going to toast these up until they're nice and fragrant. So just a few minutes. All right, these are looking nice and toasty. So I'm going to take my little slotted spoon here and we're going to go ahead and take our garlic out. That smells wonderful. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take about a tablespoon of my Korean barbecue rub, and we're going to get that nice and toasty. All right. And now we're just going to toss in our shrimp. Now my shrimp, I went ahead and deveined and peeled, but I did leave the tails on. And sometimes in the summertime, I will actually do this on skewers. I'll take the mango chutney and the garlic, and I'll take the seasoning, and I'll make kind of like a rub. Not a rub, but more like a sauce or a baste, you know, and as I'm grilling, I'll put these on skewers, and as I'm grilling, I'll use that and brush it over the top. So we are just looking for our shrimp to cook up and be kind of opaque. Gosh, look at that beautiful color on there. And that barbecue seasoning smells so, so good. So I don't know where you live or what time of year you're actually watching this video, but right now at the current time, it is middle of January and it is cold and snowy outside. And this is always the time of year that we usually go on vacation. So I'm really missing it this year because we didn't go this year and we didn't go last year. So I'm about 2 years overdue, and I don't think we're going to get to go maybe until September of this year. So I really like making stuff like this because it reminds me of or it kind of makes me melancholy, I guess. But it reminds me of being on vacation. Oh, these smell wonderful. They smell so, so, so good. Yeah. All right. And if you want to do a marinade for these, you could. If you do a marinade for shrimp, though, it really only takes about 10 minutes. I mean, they really absorb the flavor fast. Another thing I like to do with these is if I have leftovers, I like to save them for tacos. So I might do that today. That kind of sounds good too. The shrimp taco. I might eat a couple, and then I'm the only one here right now. So I might eat a couple. I won't even tell anybody I made shrimp. I eat a couple, and then maybe later on I'll make a couple of tacos. Make Oh, you know what? I have to go to the store, but maybe I could get some mango and I could make a fresh mango slaw to put on here. Oh, these look beautiful. I think they're just about done. So I'm going to go ahead and take them off the heat. We'll put them right here on our... And if you've never seen these pans from Pampered Chef, they are just fabulous. You've probably seen me use my big stainless steel skillet, and I love that thing. But this one's really cool. It's just a nonstick pan, but it has removable handles, and it goes in the oven. It's safe for the oven and everything, so I like this. All right, I think maybe I can take a bite out of one without burning myself. Let's see. Maybe not. Let me see if I can cut it a little bit. Let me get let's get a little plate to put on. If I cut it, it won't be so hot. Oh my goodness. That is so good. That is just what I needed today. It is spicy. And you know what? I was just getting ready to say it's sweet, but it's not. You want to know why? Because I didn't put the mango chutney on it. That's how anxious I was to eat these. All right, so we're just going to take a couple of tablespoons of mango chutney. We're going to stir this around. We're also going to add back in our garlic. Look at me. Am I starving or what? I forgot half the recipe here. All right. Yeah, so usually when I remove it from the heat, I put this in there. I forgot totally what I was doing. I just wanted to eat today. I'm like, where's the sweetness? We got to toss this one back in. Get a little. This reminds me of one of the very first videos I ever did. So before I started doing videos on YouTube, I was actually doing Facebook Live videos, and some of those earlier ones are actually on YouTube. I had uploaded some of those. But one day I was making lemonade, and I was so nervous. It was probably like my third video I did, and I totally forgot to put the lemon juice in there. So it was just sugar water, and I tasted it, and, you know, I just can't lie. I'm not a good liar. I said, oh my goodness, this is really good. It's really sweet. Well, of course it was good. It was just sugar water. It was really sweet. And then it dawned on me, like, I kept thinking it doesn't taste right, but I didn't want to say anything. And sure enough, I looked down, just like I did today, and I found the lemon juice, and it did end up making lemonade. So the last thing we are going to add is just a little bit of lime zest right over the top. Well, now I get to taste it again. I need a margarita. Oh my goodness. All right, where's the little one that I already bit off of? Where did he go? Did I eat him? There he is. I was like, I don't remember sticking my hands back in here and eating him. It was good the first time, but it is so much better now. So good. I'm glad I'm the only person here. Nobody else is getting any of these. Yes, that barbecue is hot and sweet, spicy, like everything I like in a bite. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And I will see you next time. Bye.